I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Tein Flex Z coilovers. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands or a lift. Always work on a level surface. We'll cover 3 main adjustments: ride height, damping force, and spring per load. Understanding these will help you fine-tune your suspension for your driving style and road conditions, making a noticeable difference in your car's feel. To adjust ride height, first loosen the lower lock collar and the spring seat lock collar. Then, rotate the entire lower bracket assembly to move the shock body up or down. Turning it clockwise will lower the car, while counterclockwise will raise it. Make sure to adjust each corner equally to maintain balance. Once set, firmly tighten both lock collars to prevent any movement during driving. Adjusting damping force controls how quickly your suspension compresses and rebounds. Find the adjustment knob, usually on top of the shock. Turning it clockwise increases firmness, ideal for spirited driving. Counterclockwise softens the ride, perfect for daily comfort. Tein Flex Z coilovers often have 16 clicks. Begin with the manufacturer's suggested setting and fine-tune from there for your preference. Spring per load affects initial suspension compression and ride quality. To adjust, loosen the spring seat lock collar and rotate the spring seat. You want the spring to be just snug, with no play when the suspension is fully extended. Avoid adding excessive preload, as this can reduce suspension travel and comfort. Once you've set it, securely tighten the spring seat lock collar to prevent any unwanted movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.